Did you know there's a bird that steals DNA from other species to evolve faster? Meet the cuckoo, nature's most cunning trickster. We already know it lays its eggs in other birds' nests, letting others raise its young. But here's the shocking twist. Scientists have found genetic fragments in cuckoo DNA that closely resemble those of their host species. This suggests a mysterious process called horizontal gene transfer. Tiny DNA bits might jump from one species to another across generations. That could explain how cuckoos evolve egg colors that perfectly mimic their hosts, ensuring their chicks blend in without suspicion. It's evolution through espionage, nature's own form of biological hacking. Nature's hacker wears wings. Stay curious, stay wild, and subscribe for more mind-blowing bird mysteries. Turn on the O to stay updated. You won't believe what's coming next.